Amazon has a discounted rate for Prime members who are between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student. And on top of this 50% discount, you actually also get Amazon Prime 6 months for free, a 6-month free trial. There's a link for this landing page in the description down below. It'll take you here where, depending on if you have an account, don't have an account, or already have Prime, you can actually switch to this discounted rate. If you do have Prime, it'll tell you that in this blue bubble right here. If you're just joining or you don't have Amazon Prime yet, then it'll say all the Prime perks, half the price, something like that. And so you click on that and it's going to open up this other window where you get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime for $0. And then it's 50% off after that. And then you'll also get 5% cash back on this membership. This subscription is called Amazon Prime for young adults. It used to be Amazon Prime Student, but now it's for more than just students. So if you're a student, you can verify with the .edu address, and there's some other verification, or you can verify as an 18 to 24-year-old and get access to this discounted rate if you're switching from a current Prime membership, or you can actually get 6 months free of Amazon Prime and then get a discounted rate. If you don't qualify, there's always the 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, or there's actually Prime Access, which is an income-based discounted rate, and you can look that up as well. I'll leave a link for that in the description too. But that's this awesome kind of secret 6-month free trial, 50% off of Amazon Prime. Hopefully some of you qualify. You just click that link and then you can check and see if you're eligible with this button right here. That's Amazon Prime for young adults. Hopefully you can get that 6-month free trial.